I'm Michael Grace with Grace Design, and I'm going to tell you about the M501, the M103, and the M101 products that we make. We'll start with the M501. This is our 500 series microphone preamplifier. It's a single channel mic amp in a 500 series form factor. We have 10 to 60 dB of gain on this gain control, and then a ribbon mode, which optimizes the preamplifier for ribbon microphones, bypasses the input coupling caps, disables 48 volts, and raises the input impedance to an optimal impedance for ribbon mics. Of course, you've got standard 48 volt phantom, an 80 hertz high pass filter, and an output trim control. As well, there's a high impedance instrument input right on the front panel for plugging directly in from whatever sort of instrument you might want to plug in. Next is the M103, and this is our first channel strip product, and it's our first product with equalizers and compressors. Basically, the 103 includes a 501 and a 101 style microphone preamplifier on the front end. As well, there's a balanced line input. And this microphone preamplifier shares the ribbon mode just like all the other preamps do. Then it's a 3-band parametric equalizer. The low and high bands are switchable between peak and shelf response, and the mid band is sweepable Q as well as frequency. The next section is an optical compressor. This is a very musical, very gentle, but also very powerful leveling system. I consider it to be a non-aggressive type of compressor, so you can really hit it hard, and it's great for vocals and any sort of instrumental applications where you need to be able to have a really musical compression without a lot of aggressive side effects that you might get from higher ratios and really fast attack and release times. The output section is trimmables for makeup gain, and as well you can switch the order of the equalizer and the compressor here, so you can have the EQ first and then the compressor, or you can have the compressor first and then the EQ. As well, there's a stereo link and sidechain capability, so you can hook two of them together, or you can use sidechain control for de-essing or any other sort of application. The last one here is the M101, which actually has been out for a while, and this is the preamp that kind of started this whole line here, and that's just a one-channel standalone microphone preamplifier.
Why did you decide to do the 103 in black? Sorry, the 101 in black.
Well, the original 101 was chrome, and it was a real signature look for us for a long time, but when we wanted to revise that product, we wanted to do something to really, show that it was a new product and a different product. And that came with, the ribbon mode was the biggest single feature there, so we wanted to make sure to do that distinction. Also, chrome was pretty difficult to manufacture, and there are a lot of environmental concerns around chrome plating as well, so we wanted to reduce the footprint, environmental footprint on these products, so that's why we went to black on the front panel. So,
fantastic. Thank you very much.
You bet.